How to change password on H&R Block. Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this tutorial, I will teach you how you can change your password on H&R Block. So kindly watch till the end. The first step is to sign in into your H&R Block using the domain name. And once you're signed in and you're brought to your dashboard, you'll be brought to your home page where you can see all of your returns, taxes, etc. So once you can see this, the next step is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see some options such as home, taxes, finances, documents, help, account. So once you see this, just click on account. Alright, because that is what we'll be working with. And after clicking on accounts, you go to the accounts page where you see your email, and then you'll see this option. Then by the right side you'll see settings, right? Once you see it, click on it, and then you wait for the settings page to load. Once that's loaded, you'll go to the security center. So on this page, just scroll down until you can see update password, and then once you see it, go ahead and click on it. After clicking on it, you will another window will pop up showcasing a box asking you to input your current password, then to input a new password, then confirm password, and then once you're done, click on change password, and then just like that, your password would be changed. Alright, so that is it. Very simple and direct. Ensure you try it out after watching this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.